what's up you guys, it's your girl Judy here with my life as Kikay, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing makeup tips and tricks on how to get ready in the morning in under 10 minutes and still look good for work. Are you one of those people who are always tired and cannot be bothered with putting in the extra effort of putting on makeup for work and actually look like you put in the effort? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Tip number one, it's pretty simple. Take a shower the night before. Not only will that enable you to go to bed feeling refreshed, but guess what? You'll also have more time to sleep in the morning. Tip number two, create a makeup routine that works for you. I can do mine in 5 minutes or less. I'll quickly show you how I do that. Before I do, I'm gonna say always lotion first. Lotion will act as a primer and extend the longevity of your makeup throughout the day, also giving you the moisture and hydration that you need. The second step is to create a more outcome for less effort makeup routine that works for you. For example, I can do mine in 5 minutes, but no matter what routine you have, always make sure that you moisturize first, because that is the step that will take you through the day looking hydrated and refreshed. Here's my routine that I can do in 5 minutes. 1. Always lotion first. Number 2 is foundation. Personally, I like to use foundation because that gives me more coverage, which then enables me to skip the concealer part. But if you like to use BB cream and then add a little concealer, just do whatever works for you. For me, the third step is bronzer or contour to provide shape and dimension to my face and make me look less hollow. Another tip for part of your makeup routine is to either skip mascara, skip eyeshadow, skip one step that you feel doesn't take away from your look, and focus on steps that will add to your features, like highlight or bright lipstick or even eyeliner. For me, because I like to accent my eyes a little bit, I can add a little dimension in my crease in under 20 seconds, so I don't skip eyeshadow. Just a little dimension, just a little shadow to make my eyes stand out more. And if you have dark circles around your eyes, why not work with them? And the saying goes, if you got them, flaunt them. And you don't have to stick with what I'm showing you here. Just work out a routine that works for you. You might not like to skip mascara, I personally do. I just instead like to focus more on steps that I feel give me more outcome for less effort. Like bright lipstick. It takes just as much time and effort to put on bright lipstick as opposed to one that won't show up on you at all. If anything, it'll add features to your face that'll make you look like you actually put some effort into your look. I like to add some eyeliner and highlight, some setting spray, and I'm good to go. Tip number 3. You saw a little bit of this in my makeup routine, but I want to reiterate, use products that will add warmth. Use a bronzer or a warm toned highlight, or even bright lipstick. This will help you look fresh, awake, and alive, and will add a flush of warmth and dimension to your face. For me, I have worn bright lipstick to work every single working day of my life, and not a single week passes that someone doesn't compliment me on my lipstick. If you want to know what products I use, I will leave them all listed in the description box down below, but again, use whatever products work for you. Tip number 4. Keep a travel size setting spray with you in your bag to take with you throughout the day. I personally use the Skindinavia makeup finishing spray, which I just quickly spritz on during the day when I feel like I'm looking a little bit dry or patchy. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope it helps you out even just a little bit. These are just makeup tips and tricks that I personally find helps myself get ready in under 10 minutes in the morning, especially since I have to get up really early for work. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I just wanted to give a quick little mention. Since the last 3 videos I've uploaded, I have had 18 new subscribers, and for that I'm so thankful, guys. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for being here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.